Stir fry squid. Blanch the squid and set aside. Tapos marinate ng sake, white pepper, black pepper, and sesame oil. Tapos stir fry yung Chinese celery and set aside. Put a pinch of salt and chicken powder. And set aside and stir fry the green chili. Put some water. Don't overcook. And set aside. Yan, gisa ang ginger, garlic, at yung head ng scallion. Tapos ilagay ang squid. Tapos seasons with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and mix. And that's it. Ilagay yung spring onion or scallion at ilagay yung mga ginisang. That's all.